All right, Derek, everybody thought going into this draft there was a ton of talent up top, and tonight you guys go with a shortstop. Tell us about the player you got on and off the field, what makes him a special player for the Twins.
We couldn't be more excited about Royce Lewis. I mean, he's a guy that you watch him play on the field, and it's infectious. And, he's a guy that he loves his teammates. You can see him moving around all the time, being a part of it. We're just so excited to have him as part of the organization.
So much buzz in this town and throughout baseball about the 17-year-old pitcher, Hunter Green. I'm sure it was a tough decision. When you weighed this out, a shortstop versus a pitcher, both high school players looking forward, how tough was that decision?
Really tough. I mean, when you look at this draft, there were players throughout that were really good. And I think that's why it came right down to the end. And we made a lot of difficult decisions here down the stretch, and we couldn't be happier with what we got.
You got the #1 pick, but let's not forget you've got pick 35 and pick 37. Still a lot to think about, still a lot to look at. Between now and when those picks happen, what are you hoping for, and what is in the master plan with those picks?
Yeah, that's why we got to get back in that room and get to work. Like we've said all along, this is about getting as many players as we can into the Twins organization to help us get back to where we want to be as a team.
Congrats on the selection. Good luck the rest of the night.
Thanks very much.